This photograph, you've stated the periods within which you were incarcerated in 2013 until 2016 and again from 2018. Do you know when this picture was taken?
Ushilo ke ngeinkathi ke zokuboshwa kwakho 2013 2016 phinde futhi ke ngo2018 ingabe uyazi ukuthi isithombe lesi sona sathotshuka nini?
Sithwebula ngo2013 eKingsway la saboshelwa khona sasisonke kanje.
It was in 2013 in Kingsway where we were arrested. We were all just like this.
Now, Lord, if I may beg leave, just to go to the screen, I just want to see the metadata on this photograph. Now, I've just approached the screen just to satisfy myself. The metadata on this photograph, Mr. Jonas, if you can read it for the record, please.
IMG 2014-0930 WA0001.
So it says 2014-09-13. And you say,
30.
and you say, according to your knowledge, this was taken in 2013 because in 2014 you were in custody. Is that correct?
Ngomininingwane ebhaliwe laphana ummeli acele ngiqeda uyifunde manje ubhale 2014 ngey30 uSeptember wena uthi ke kwakungo 2013 ngoba 2014 wawusejele.
Yeah, sashuta 2013 2014 ngisejele.
Yes, the photo was taken in 2013 because in 2014 I was incarcerated.
Now, would you have a comment, if you've got any, about that metadata that says this photograph was taken on let me rephrase. Would you have a comment on that metadata which I asked Mr. Jonas to place on record of 2014-09-13? Would you comment on that?
Kukhona ke ongakusho wena kuloko bengiqeda ke uJonas ukuthi akufunde manje ke balwe 2014-09-30.
Ngicela ukuthi akusona isithombe sika 2014 sika 2013.
No, I can emphasize that it is not a 2014 photo, it's a 2013 photo.
You know the reason I'm asking you this, I'm asking in the context of the bigger picture. We've had photographs in this court displayed showing the metadata. And the argument from the state has been the metadata depicted on the photographs are the dates on which those photographs were taken. So I'm asking you within that context, because you said physically it is impossible for me to have taken that photo in 2014 because I was incarcerated.
Yazi ke isizathu sokuthi ngikubuzeke lokho ngikubuza ke ngoba ke kunezithombe eziningi ezikhonjisiwe ke la phambi kwalenkantolo bese ke abashushisi basho ke noma betshela inkantolo ke ukuthi ke imininingwane ke ebhaliwe lapha yana imininingwane ke eshoyo ukuthi ke isithombe leso sathathwa ngalelo langa lelo wena ke uyasho ukuthi ke cha angeke kwenzeke ke lokho ngoba wena wawusejele nakaphela.
As the court pleases, my lord, we raising on an objection. This witness, my lord, is not an expert. Number one, he cannot comment on the metadata of this photo. He can only assist the court as to when the photo was taken according to him, which falls within his personal knowledge. Whether the metadata is indicating that date, my lord, if I can take the court back to the evidence of Sergeant Moses Mabasa, he indicated that photos that were downloaded from the device of accused number 3, they were either taken with that device or they were downloaded to that device, meaning that some of those images were sent to that device, my lord.